I cannot do this because I cannot do this thing because I don't have this kind of skill. I will be able to do this because I don't have the capacity. And the fear here for your brothers and sisters, that we are afraid to take risk because something is blocking from us. Something that is hindering us to do such a thing. Because we have, kung makainuta, di na natin kaya, di na natin maagwanta, iwanan nagpaglako. Kaya lagi, sa ato ang pagtanaan, sa ato ang pagbulingon, nagtuota.
May tao dito guys, sa may Santo Niño. Bye bye guys.